Alright, just picking on you guys really should invest in a Dremel, good tool. I'm going to use it to cut if you guys saw I installed the lights, I'm going to use it to cut some of the carbon fiber trunks so I can slide those lights inside. Also, by the way, just a note, went ahead and picked up the Final Fantasy Deluxe Edition. Those of you are paying $150 for Insane, you can go to GameStop, pick it up. So I'm going to install that while I'm doing some TLC maintenance on the car. So again, I got the Dremel, I got painter's tape, I bought that in the car. Also the Meth gauge, the Meth failsafe gauge, I got some screws so I can actually seat that properly. So let's take these tools outside. Wow, this game's installing, can't wait to play it. And let's do some TLC maintenance on the Honda. Yes, it's not a game channel, but for you guys asking what you get inside the Deluxe Edition, you get all that, plus the 3 summons, the Cactar summon, the Jacopo summon, and the Carbuncle summon if you buy it on via PlayStation. But the soundtrack's going to be cool to listen to. And boy, does that remind you of old school, when it originally came out for PlayStation. So I'm going to get this installed, like I said, set out to the car, get it popping. Yeah. Alright guys, we're on the head cam, just getting everything set up. I got the Dremel, I'm going to go ahead and take off the license plate, and then I'm going to use tape, painter's tape to tape off. Let me get the, how about I get an adapter with that? I'm going to use painter's tape to tape off the section I don't want to be destroyed. It look like right here. I know it'll be kind of hard to see, but we're just going to cut half of it right here, but I need to take all this off so I can get the Dremel underneath here. Because again, on the factory car, in the factory, you don't have this little lip right here. So we're going to have to cut some of this section off so we can suck these things inside here, the clip inside the hose. So again, I'm going to try this with the head cam on. Yeah, those professional angles usually are just jump cut, but I'm going to try to do it differently today, because again, we all have time. Over time. So I'll try the head cam. I mean, that's what I bought it for. Plate off. Take that off. Alright. Put the license plate off. Screws right there. 10mm if you guys are wondering. Okay. And we're gonna take these lights off so we don't damage the lights. Just so we can cut. Remember, like I showed you guys, it just simply plugs in like right here. Plug them. And yeah, just unplugging them temporarily. There you go. Take the lights up. So we don't damage the lights in any way when we're cutting with the Dremel. Alright. This we can just move it down here. So reverse camera. Again, most of you guys don't have this, but we got this little lip. So I put a light on it and see like if I want to cut. Let's get the tape. There's the tape. I think I have a light inside here. Get my phone. Keep money in here just in case. And gloves. You guys know what the gloves is about. All about it, I should say. Oh, there's a Dragon Ball down there. I swore I had a light down here. Guess not. I used to light on my phone. Let's go. Take this drink. This fan's tape. Lock it. Alright, I need to get the extension cable for the Dremel, so let me get that. I'll be right back. Alright, Alright, just extension, sorry about the motorcycle. Good thing, look at that. The inverter, want to turn it on, got power to it. Right here, don't have to find a plug or anything like that. So we're gonna, let me turn my light on here. Take a look at this. How we're gonna cut this. This is pretty fucking thick too. I'm gonna have to like kind of figure this out. It's pretty thick. Like I need to start cutting like right here. Let's tape off. So the tape I use, got painter's tape, regular painter's tape right here. Some stuff you need to have anyway, so I need some painter's tape. Again, like I said, usually I'll just skip to it being done, but all that's going on, I figured to show you guys. Camera rigging out. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of this tape. I'm basically just going to tape off where that won't cut. So I'm going to do something like this. Well, tape that doesn't have to be perfect, but close to what you don't want cut. So that works. I don't need to cut that much. Mostly just trying to protect the top carbon fiber. Alright, let's get a camera right here. Light so I can see what it looks like. So yeah, I can start cutting right there. The hole's right there, guys, people. You can see, if you guys can see that. I'm just gonna cut like right here. Right here, I just want to cut a little knot section out, both sides. Alright, let's try it. Super camera preview. Alright, let's try it. So we're going to the Dremel. I have extension cable. 100-foot cable, I'm pulling the cable so I'm not being held back. Now, one more thing, got to mention, did I pull it out? Let me grab it, make sure, because you are dreaming, that you get, how to do with it. Just throw them back here. They back here, I just don't see them. Still in the car. You should get your safety goggles. Again, don't play with your eyes, people. I've had my eyes messed with. That's not cool. Like I was saying, safety goggles. Make sure you put your goggles on. You guys can see. So I do have safety goggles on, protect my eyes. Don't want any of this shit kicking back up into your face. Again, this is a Dremel 200. Don't need anything powerful in the Dremel. Oh, how about turn the power onto the inverter? How was that? Grab that. You see, boy? Let's turn the power onto the inverter. Inverter power on. Now, I got that. Now I got power. I'm gonna start off light. I don't need to cut that much out, just a little hole. Get this in there. I'll get the idea. That's bad. Alright, so anyways, I'm gonna cut this section out. Again, thank goodness you're not gonna see because it's underneath. I'll be right back with you guys. Basically shaved off just a little bit. This is right there, nothing's done. Shade off just a little bit. You got the painter's tape protecting the top. You see where the lip is. That's what you're gonna see. So this is definitely underneath. You don't see this at all. So we're gonna test with the light to see if the light will slide in now with that little groove. Again, we just need just a little bit of groove so you can slide up underneath there. That's that. One hand. Arms. Okay, so let's see. See, so right there, almost gets in there. Then you cut just a little bit more, like a peacock right there. See how? Or we can slide up in there. So just a little bit more. Not much. Just a little bit more. Right there. All I'm doing is essentially understanding. Just sanding. That's it. When we got finished, I'll update you. A lot more. See how that fits. Man. Throw that right there. I'm gonna test it. Cut this hole again. Again, all we're doing is rounding it out. Because like I said, in the factory one, and then so you see. Kind of see right there. Almost. I think we need to shade a little bit more in that corner right here. Maybe a little bit more up top, just a little bit. In the back, more so. This corner here, and then more so in the back right here. Here's what right there. Down the hole. See, I got the first one. It's not gonna be in all the way unless I cut a new slit right there. I'm thinking of not doing that. So if you look at it from right here, it's not that bad. Before it was sticking all the way down to here. Now it's just a little bit of light, so I can live with that. So I'm gonna test with this light. Ooh, a lot of dust. Again, I'm trying to get it up inside there. So you see right there at the top, and you cut a little bit more off the top right there, and especially right there at that corner. More to cut, more to cut, more to cut. I just want to point out the guys right here are brittle and they'll pull out. That's why I bought 2 sets just in case. I pulled one of the wires out. I was plugging it in, but I bought 2 sets, so my friend's gonna resolder it for me. But for all you guys that just buy 1 set of everything, be careful. So all I'm doing is I'm gonna go right there. I want the lights aren't hanging like they were, and then of course the license plate will go right here. So what I'm gonna do underneath is, here's the wires. I'm gonna zip tie these wires to here, zip tie this wire there. That will hold it and hold it in place to keep it sucked up. So let me just put a zip tie on that and put the license plate back, and we're gonna call this done, and we're gonna move on to fixing the AEM Meth fail-safe gauge. Alright, well, Should be perfect. Minus the tape line. And there you go. That's why you use tape to protect the weave or whatever you're using from cracking. Get that line. I got these washed. There we go. That's how it looks. Remember the hole. You could get a black marker, which I might later, and mark that black, but again, you're not going to see that at all. To show it to you guys. Oh, lock the keys in here. Show it to you guys. Close it. And you look at it. Oh, boy, there you go. Now those lights aren't sticking now. Remember, when I threw them in, I don't know if I'll put it in this video or another video. The lights are sticking out. Now it looks good. You test the lights, make sure the lights look. And you see one of the lights isn't working. That same one that had the issue with the plug-in for some reason. Let's adjust this plug-in. It should be working. You guys didn't see I replaced all these lights. I went and changed all the bulbs out because again these bulbs were old, so all the bulbs are good. Again, there you go, both light up. It's not obnoxious like it was when it was hanging down to like here. Can't see it, now it looks clean. It's the best that I could get done. I could get a smaller Dremel wheel, but that's good. I just didn't want them like crazy visible sticking down here like it was. Alright, cool. So now we're gonna move on. And that's the reason why you get a power inverter too. So now we're going to move on to this gauge right here. Again, it's just being held on by one of the screws. See how loose it is. I'm just going to put a bolt and a nut on the other side, screw it tight so they're going to be held in flush. Simple. You can kind of see it right there. They use a self-tapping screw, but again, the other one fell out. It's kind of wiggly. But it's a regular screw and nut combination. I'm just going to put it through that hole. I may have to widen the hole a lot to get it in there, but we'll do that. Put the nut on there as you, in theory, as you know, I'll hold it tight. Simple. Nice and simple. Just to show you guys, this is basic. All I'm doing is taking the screwdriver and screwing these new screws to the hole that was already pre-drilled when we wired this gauge just to make them wider. I'm going to put the screw through these two holes, put the nut on the other side, tighten it down, and that will secure this. So I don't have to worry about it being all floppy or if my knee hits it, it falls off. You guys are doing TLC, so there you go. That's nice and tight. I didn't even have to put the nuts on the back side because it's so tight, the hole's so tight, but I'll put the nuts in because I got them to secure it. I'll put this back on here and we'll be good to go with this. Kind of a pain in the ass, honestly. There you guys go, wired up and it's powered up. Make sure you always check the plugs in the back. I had a loose plug. I'm doing that, but now it's nice and secure. So not going, it's like above it. I want my knee, not going anywhere. So now we gotta take care of this, golly, this wire mess. It's gonna zip tie and clean it up more. That's bad. Jeez. Look at that. There you go. But still better. There we go. So again, all we do is do some TLC maintenance, take care of the lights. It's just this stuff that is bothering me about the car. It's a little thing sometimes that annoys you. So got a couple of other little small things. We have to wait for some parts to come in, and we could change this out and this stuff out. But we'll get to it. Again, this is basic. This me TLC video. Nothing long. Just doing some general baby maintenance that need to get done. So again, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this content and just putting content out there for you guys. Again, comment down below with anything you guys want to see or any questions about where to get certain parts at, etc. See you guys next video. Peace.